Public corporation is a body corporation created by an act of parliament and legislature. Public corporations are operated in the public sector which is owned and controlled by the state. Public corporation is a nationalized business. The government chooses directors to oversee the public corporation. Its main objectives are to ensure access to the service by all, reduce unemployment by providing jobs, offer nationwide service, reduce cost, increase efficiency, and aim for profit. Some examples of public corporations are Air India, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, and many more.
Disadvantages of the public corporations are double taxation, excessive tax billings, independent management.
Public limited companies. A public limited company is the legal designation of a limited liability company which has offered shares to the general public and has limited liability. A PLC stock is offered to the general public and can be acquired by anyone, either privately during an initial public offering or through trades on the stock market. Difference between a public limited company and a public corporation. One of the main differences between a public limited company and a public corporation is that a public corporation is based in the United States and public limited companies are based in the UK. Most of the companies in India are public limited because of colonizing of a country by the British who implemented their policies. Usually a public corporation needs to disclose a lot of information and is governed by the government, meaning that they need to totally expose everything about the company for their potential investors. PLCs also must meet certain requirements before earning this designation. These must include a minimum share capital, obtaining a trading certificate, a minimum of 2 directors, 2 shareholders, minimum. A PLC is subject to the Register of Companies in the UK. Thank you.